The sun is going down here at Tecopa Mines, but I think we'll take a look at the newest ore car we got. Actually, it's the first one because I bought this car 2 years ago before I even moved up here. And it's been undergoing restoration at Andrew Keeper down there in Tucson for the last couple of years, and he finally got it up here. And here it is. It's a nice vintage CS card car, probably about a 1-ton dump. And little shop worn, seen a little use here and there, but she's a beaut. Little field modification here. They put a railroad steel bumper on this side here because this car was moved around by some of the power equipment, and I played bumper cars quite a bit. Got a angle iron hitch here that probably wasn't put on from the factory, but if you go over here to the mucker, it fits the mucker's rear hitch beautifully. So this car probably spent time in a mine with a mucker like this IMCO 12 and would have hooked on behind the IMCO 12, and the buckered arm here would have grabbed rock and gravel from the bottom of the drift and picked up and thrown it over the back end of this car. So they'll eventually be coupled up here as a complete display artifact team, but we got to get them together here. Meanwhile, let's take a look at this car and see what it does. Look at its tricks. So we've got our little release lever on the back. Normally this chain here would be on here like that to keep the lever from moving. We take the chain off and throw the lever. Unlocks the bottom of the car here, and the car tilts to dump. It's balanced so nice that any one person can do this, so they've actually got it kind of offset here underneath to facilitate an easy dump. A lot of physics went into this. It turns, so spins very nicely and dumps. Did I mention it dumped? Come on, you back down. There we go. So again, turns easy, one hand does it. These cars are lubricated, balanced nice. Got a door on the front here, little catch on the bottom, and the same throw lever in the back. If we throw it a little further over, it unlocks that hook. So a little further over, like that. And our hook here on the front is now moved out of the way. So when we let it dump, go ahead, dump, the door opens, and all the goodies inside just spill right out into whatever pile or ore bin or whatever we want to put our material in. So these cars set up very nicely. It pivots, it turns, it dumps, and it's so well balanced it can all be done by one person. So lock it back up, catch back on here. Oh, hello, Cleo the dog. Hey, Cleo, hi. Want to be in the video? Huh? What are we doing? Look, everybody, it's Cleo. Okay. More interested in hunting for lizards. But get our lever lined up a little better here. Man. Bring it over like this. Set. Catch on, and you can see it all locks into place, nice as can be. Very simple mechanism, very robust car. This thing's probably been in service since the 30s or the 40s somewhere, and now it's part of the Tecopa Mines collection. We're happy to have it right alongside of its beautiful period mucker from about the same time, and a lot of other wonderful artifacts, including some of these old, more modern side dump cars, which we'll demonstrate later in another video. So hope you enjoyed this little ore car primer, and we'll look at some more stuff later. Thanks for coming out, and have a great day.